Uganda's transport system has gradually expanded over the years, encompassing road, water, rail and air travel. However, the aftermath of COVID-19 pandemic had a significant impact on air transport, leading some service providers to reduce routes. One such route operated by Eagle Air was the Entebbe-Arua service. Eagle Air, a Kampala-based airline, offers regional scheduled services and charter flights across East and Central Africa. The journey from Kampala to Arua spans approximately 451 kilometers, taking over 8 hours by road. However, with the resumption of Eagle Air flights, this travel time has been significantly reduced to just 1 hour and 20 minutes. Joan Kagoro, head of sales and marketing at Eagle Air, highlights the airline's decisions to restart operations on this route.
I'm very excited that Eagle Air is resuming scheduled flights to Arua after a long break. We are so excited and would like to take this opportunity to thank you, our esteemed clients, for giving us this moment, for trusting in our services again. We are looking forward to offer you an efficient service, a reliable service, a safe flight.
She also outlined the flight schedules for this route, emphasizing that the service will help address the transport challenges passengers have faced since the COVID-19 pandemic.
The scheduled flights to Arua will be 3 times weekly, Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. Those connecting to DRC, to South Sudan, this is your airline. We thank you very much and we look forward to offer you an efficient service.
Eagle Air officially resumed flights to Arua on Monday, 17th March 2025. Upon landing in Arua, we spoke with Robert Monica, the area manager of Eagle Air, who acknowledged the long-standing transport difficulties in the region given its distance from the capital.
The people of West Nile have been suffering, getting from Arua to Entebbe, getting to Kampala or connecting a flight out of Entebbe. When you are in Arua, connection has been a challenge. You go by bus, you go for about 12 hours or 10 hours. And then here in the evening, you have to sit on another flight to connect. But it has been a wonderful thing. Eagle Air has made this very easy for families to connect with the other families, the other side. You can come on your flight from Europe, you land in Entebbe early morning, you board Eagle Air at 8.
We also had the opportunity to speak with one of the passengers who expressed appreciation for Eagle Air's decision to reinstate flights to Arua.
I am excited here in Arua Airfield, welcoming Eagle Air. It's a great excitement. Since Eagle Air stopped flying to Arua, we have been suffering. Some of the flights have been inconsistent. You would want to come, you find your flight is not there. And then charging luggage. You come with the baggage which is very small. You try to plead, say no, it is a rule, pay. And then you have to cough and other inconveniences. But we are happy Eagle Air is back.
Meanwhile, stakeholders, including taxi operators in Arua, urged Eagle Air to maintain strict time management, noting that punctuality has been a challenge among some service providers. Additionally, a few passengers shared their experience with us.
When Corona came in, they had to withdraw their services from Arua. So since then, after that, things have not been okay. All these other stations which are companies which have been operating here, I've been getting a lot of disappointments from them.
Because initially we used to come here, you find, hey, the plane is landing at such and such a time, you wait until it doesn't land at the exact time. But at least with the Eagle, I'm very hopeful they're going to maintain time.
I'm expecting timekeeping, with our work it needs time because we shall have some clients outside and then we come here and pick these ones and drop, then we go for other businesses. But we are very happy to see Eagle Air back to Arua City.
We've been suffering a lot. You can come with your passengers here. They say plane will land at 10, from 10 to 12. From 12, they call you, the plane is not coming. You can come and pick your passengers and you go back.
For me, I welcome Eagle Air.
It's our pleasure to travel with them. We came from Entebbe and we travel safely. It's our pleasant and we hope to see them again and travel again with them.
Nous sommes en sécurité par rapport à la confiance que la compagnie est en train d'éprouver.